Everybody in the club gave me the feeling from the first moment that they really want me and that they know much about me and that they followed my way. And this gave me a very, very good feeling to be at the right place, and it made it very easy for me to take this decision. And I'm very happy to be here. Today is an exciting day for me, and I'm very proud. I'm not afraid at all of stars, because in my experience they're the hardest workers and they know exactly what they need, what it needs to be successful in a team sport like soccer. I mean, he's an artist. He's an exceptional player. He's one of the best in the world. And the artists are special players and need special treatment. It's common sense. It's pretty normal like this. But he can, if we find a way to build a structure around him, to build a structure that he can show all his talent on the pitch, I think we have a key player to win our games. And I like the meeting a lot, and I met a very friendly, very open guy. I cannot imagine a Juventus without Buffon, but it happens now. I don't know him personally, but we will see what happens. Right now we have 2 goalkeepers, and you have to wait and to be patient. But first of all, I personally have to adapt to the thought that there is no Buffon in the Italian team and no Buffon in Juventus in goals.